Updating your billing information on Zencart is essential for ensuring smooth transactions and order processing. Follow these steps to easily update your billing info. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Zencart website and click on the login link. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the My Account or Account Settings section in the dashboard menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the necessary fields such as credit card number, expiration date, billing address, and any other required information. Ensure that all details are accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your billing info has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information current on Zencart. Regular updates help prevent payment issues and ensure a seamless shopping experience.